Hello, this is Nova Topflex, and in this demonstration, I will continue using my NetBSD virtual machine. I will try to do the pkgin. There are two commands, two main package manager command types. That's pkg-add, but I like pkgin better. I believe it is honestly more efficient, more effective. So I'm going to do pkgin search dot and then wc. This word count is going to roughly show how many packages exist on a NetBSD system. And unlike on Ubuntu, Debian, or most other Linux distros, you will notice that there are so many different Python versions. Legacy 2.7, but also not just a legacy system. You'll see Python 3.10, 3.11, 3.12, 3.13, and 3.14 available by default. Multiple different versions. You don't normally see that many different versions available on your other systems, but this is NetBSD. It is quite a hidden gem, in my honest opinion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do pkgin, that's pkgin, and then I'm going to do the, I would like to do the man page if possible, or whatnot. Is there a help? pkgin help? No. But this is the standard of what you can expect to see. ls is list, av is list all available remote packages, and I want to do is, I would like to do the, so did I already do update, upgrade, and then full upgrade is deprecated. So what I want to do now is I would like to do the pkgin install, and then I would like to do Python 3.14 and Py 3.14 tk if possible. No, it's not .tk. I meant to do -tk. Yes, please. And by the way, just because you could run many Linux applications or Linux-like applications on here does not mean that BSD is a Linux distro. It's based on the kernel, so that's why we call it a BSD instead of a Linux. So Python, and then let me check, Python 3.14. Import tkinter, because I have tkinter on my system. I'm going to do root equals tkinter.tk. It works now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this window because I'm allowed, and this, not they, because there are no people involved, but this will let me move the windows. And then I'm going to do text equals tkinter.text. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm going to do import tkinter.scrolled text. Usually it's available here. Scroll equals tkinter.scrolled text.scrolled text. Root and then it does look like scroll text is still being packed in. And then I want to do scroll.pack. And then I want to do scroll.keys. scroll.configure font. And then I want to do font equals tk fixed font, basically monospace 12. Much larger now. Thankfully, I can change the size of this to fit my needs a lot better, hopefully. Imagine what having buttons would be like then. If the text is too small, what about the buttons? Obviously, they would be just as small. Anything else you could do, like 9 menu is available, but is FreeTux TV available? No, it is not. It's for Linux. This is not a Linux distro. But so many are features that are overlapping, so is LibreOffice available? It's probably going to be too much space, unfortunately. But you should be able to do it on your system if you ever can. Is Chromium available? Technically, yes. You can do a whole lot here also. I don't want to install QEMU on QEMU. I already have QEMU. And if you like this type of content or would like to learn more about the NetBSD setup, then feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe, try to hack the YouTube algorithm. And thanks for watching. Signing off.